So welcome in, welcome in. For the first time, we are going to work on something very specific. This is about numerology and not just numerology. This is about mobile numerology and how these numbers that you have in your mobile affect you and your everyday life. Anyone here who's not very comfortable with Hindi? I think Marilyn is the only one, but welcome in, a very warm welcome. This is a great call for you to take an insight into what kind of combinations are made in your mobile numbers, whether they are working out for you, whether they are not working out for you, what kind of numbers can you have in your mobile number. Vasudhaji here is an expert in all of this. She'll not only help you identify those, for some of you who are lucky and fill up a form, she's going to create a report and give it to all of you. So make sure that you engage in today's call, that you take down notes, also participate in question and answers, and later on, just see how you can take this journey forward. Recently, I acquired 2 to 3 numbers that are numerology specific numbers, and I've seen a surge in my business, my work, and those numbers were done by Vasudha. So, after having first hand experience, I'm bringing this forward to all of you. So, warm welcome to her. Please take this forward so that all of us can benefit from this short but very important call.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you
so much,
so much for
Siddhi,
being
for
here.
giving me this opportunity and also to present this and to work with you on the personal numbers and the business numbers that we wanted to book for Yana Healing Studio. So, anyone who's joining for the first time, anyone who's joined for the first time in our community's healing hour, just let me know in the chat box. And as Siddhi has announced, we are going to give out free mobile number analysis report to 15 people who are going to fill out the Google form. I'm going to send that Google form in the chat box in some, and everyone will not get this. Only the first 15 people who are filling up the form are going to get free mobile number analysis report from Yana Healing Studio. Okay, so I'm going to disable the unmute to everybody so that nobody is getting disturbed and we can maintain the flow. We will also share. Okay, Ranjan is new here. Okay, that's nice. Nice to have you, Ranjan. Welcome to the Healing Hour at Yana's Healing Studio. So I have sent you the Google form. Only 15 people, the first 15 entries in the Google form are going to receive free mobile numerology report. It will be sent to you by tomorrow on your WhatsApp number. So make sure that you're filling in your WhatsApp number in the Google form. Since Ranjan is new here and I also see one of my fellow friend Nitya, she's also joined our session. So welcome Nitya, so good to see you. And we will be just a short introduction. So, as Siddhi has already said a lot, we will start something with mobile number today. Just tell me something. How many of you know that there is something called as mobile numerology, where we analyze mobile numbers? Have you heard of this before? There is a lot of awareness about this on YouTube, Instagram, and many other channels. So, how many of you have heard it before? Okay, so Sriram has heard about that before. Great. Okay. Dipti ji has also heard about it. That's nice. So what we are going to do is I'll share little information. It's not possible for me to share all the information about mobile numerology, but let's understand what it is, how is it connected, and so let's see what exactly is numerology. Numerology is nothing but the study of numbers. It's a comprehensive science which tells us a lot just by our date of birth. It helps us to integrate our date of birth, which is numbers, the name that we are using. Every alphabet has a value associated with it. So, numbers, alphabet, colors, shapes, sounds, elements like all our Panchatattva, Panchamahabhut, earth, water, air, all of this forms numerology. So, it's not just numbers, but the study of everything, the sound in the name. Like, for example, my name is Vasudha. So, what are the syllables? What are the sound? There may be some sounds which may causes certain growth in our life, or there may be some sounds which may cause certain negative aspects in our lives. So, everything, this is a part of sacred geometry. Everything in our life is more about sacred geometry. Our mobile has a structure, our face has a structure, our sunglasses, the bottle, everything we use in our day to day life carries our personal vibrations because it is linked with sacred geometry. And numerology is a small part in that big sacred geometry, which helps us to decode the personality, the behavior, and much more. So, shape of numbers also matters. All the numbers have shape, right? Some will have curves, some will have lines, some will have horizontal line. The forms are very unique. The energy is very unique. And that is how a numerologist can decode by looking at the shape of numbers. Then the sound. What is the sound? When I'm calling out a name, Marilyn. So there is a sound that is made. There is a sound that is created. There is a sound. Every syllable has a sound. When we chant our mantras like Om, Yam, all of these mantras also carry vibration. So sound also matters. Your name spelling is as important as the sounds in your name. Then element. So like I said, Pancha Mahabhut, all the 5 elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space. Everything can be decoded using date of birth and name. Everything about it, like health, wealth, relationship, finances, business, environment, friendships, everything. So, mobile numerology is a smaller part of numerology. Numerology consists of name numerology, chronology, medical numerology, mobile numerology. Then we have professional numerology where we can calculate events. Then there is event prediction. So there are many, many modules in numerology. उसी का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा is mobile numerology, which we are going to learn today. We will just understand little bit. You can just fill the form, the year in the form, Binuji, वो जो date option select करने आता है, उसी में आपको भरना है. So mobile numerology is an advanced technique which is used because these days what we do, every communication is from the mobile. Even if we have to call our mate, we have to call anyone for messaging, we are extensively using mobile. That is why it's very important to have the correct mobile number based on your date of birth. It's a principle which is very important for the digital age that we are living on to. And since it is made of numbers, there are 10 digits in our mobile number. Every number will carry certain communication patterns, certain influences, certain health patterns, certain financial pattern. And that is why it is important to have a correct mobile number. Now let's understand what is birth number and destiny number before we move ahead. To go ahead and learn mobile numerology, you need not be a numerologist. Whatever you need to know to calculate mobile numbers, everything will be taught. Basic numerology will be included in the course. So don't think that मैं numerologist हूँ तो ही मैं ये course आगे सीख के इसको learn and earn कर सकते हैं. Everyone who don't know numerology can also learn this course. Let's understand what is birth number. Birth number is a number, only the date part of it. So supposing if the date of birth is 21/05/1987. So the birth number is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. सो आप सब अपनी बर्थ नंबर एंड डेस्टिनी नंबर कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो खुद से इन दिस वे. आप अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ लिख के यू कैन कैलकुलेट योर बर्थ नंबर एंड डेस्टिनी नंबर. Destiny number is the total of the all the digits in your date of birth. So if the date of birth is 21/05/1987, you need to calculate all the numbers excluding 0. So it comes to 6. Everyone understood how to calculate birth number and destiny number? These are the core numbers. We need these numbers to find out more aspects about our life, about our mobile number and everything. Now let's understand how to make the grid. This is very important. Once we learn how to make the grid, we will come to know on what are the numbers which are useful for me, which are the numbers that are my enemy numbers, and which are the numbers which are my helpful number, friendly numbers. Everything can be calculated using this date of birth. On the right side, the picture that you see is called as Loshu grid. It's the main grid which is used for all the predictions and calculations in numerology. This is the standard grid. This is how the standard grid looks. The beauty of this grid is, जैसे चाहे आप numbers add कर लो, the total will come as 15. Even if you add it horizontally, vertically, diagonally, the total is going to come as 15. It is inspired by our own Lakshmi Yantra. So how do we, I have placed an example of 21/05/1987. This is the standard grid and this is the grid of person who is born on 21/05/1987. Now, how do we make it? So all your numbers which are appearing in date of birth are placed in this grid. So we have 2 in this number, 2 is placed over here. Wherever the standard placement is, you will make a grid and put the numbers in that standard place. Then we have 1, which is placed here, 1. 1 is repeating because we have 1 over here and 1 over here too. So that is how 1 is repeating. ऐसे करके सारे numbers you will place. And you will also place your birth number and the destiny number in the grid. This is how you will make your numero grid based on your date of birth and the calculation. So now let's move to understanding more about mobile numbers. So let's understand double numbers. Everyone who has double 1 in their number, it should come consecutively. So suppose in your mobile number is 9821145789. So double 1 is coming consecutively. In case if you have a mobile number where it is 91527819, here 1 is not coming consecutively, so it will not considered as double number. Double number is when both the numbers are coming together. So if you have 11 in your mobile number, that means the person is emotional, at times indecisive, at times they start self-promotion where it is unwanted. So suppose if they are going in a gathering, they will start talking a lot about themselves without even listening to what the person is saying in front of them. So they boast a lot about themselves. Self-obsessed होते हैं थोड़े से. They are very, the good parts are they are intuitive. They know how to gauge certain situations. They have this helping nature where they pass on the knowledge to others. They don't mind sharing knowledge. They don't mind sharing any vidya that they know. And the other problem is they will always face opposition from family, spouse, or close friend. So no matter whatever they want to do, they will always face opposition. Nitya, this doesn't apply to 111 as of now. As of now, it's 11. So 111, Kabi, we will learn the triple numbers also later on. So how many of you have 11 in your mobile number and you're relating to what I am saying? Put it in the chat box. Or you can simply raise your hand. You can unmute and tell me. How many of you have 11 in your number and you are relating to this? Yes, Sriram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
Yeah. As per my understanding, there is 11 in my mobile, but I didn't add the digits. I was just doing the adding of the digit, but you told 11. So 9911. No, 9916135778. Yeah, I
So
think.
one is not coming together, but still you have two
Oh,
ones in your mobile number. You will
huh.
have the same effect, but it will be a little lesser. Now I'm talking about people who have double one consecutively in their mobile number.
Okay, got it.
So who has it? Anyone present here has double one in their number? Yes, Priyanka. I'll send you unmute request.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I have two numbers. In one of the number, it is there, so I could relate to some of the qualities, not all.
Correct. So are you using that number frequently? Is it a frequently used number or you're just using it as a spare number?
No, I think it is equally important number, I believe.
Okay, sure. So you're relating to some of it, right? Some of the traits that I mentioned.
Yes, right.
Great. So now let's study second, which is double two. Double
Sorry,
two.
sorry
Yes.
to interrupt. So my total number is coming 1 1. The total digits, sum of all total digits of the mobile number.
No, here we are talking about numbers present in the number,
In
not
the
the total.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
We are
The total you will later on you will tell, right? About the
yes, total I will tell you later on. So now
sure,
double two. For people who have double two in their number, consecutively double two, they get extremely emotional. थोड़ा भी उनको बोल देते हैं तो they get extremely emotional. They may laugh and cry very easily. They'll get hurt very easily. And always they have this introspection mode on. They will always keep thinking, okay, what happened? Why is this happening to me? Am I really doing it right? They are extremely honest, very blunt, honest, dead honest, and they have amazing psychic abilities. So, this is one of the best combinations to have as a healer. But it depends on your date of birth. We have to compare all the numbers that we have as per the date of birth. So, anyone having double two in your number, you have double two, Dipti ji? So, are you extremely emotional? Do you also get hurt very quickly?
Yes, very true, very true.
Yes.
Or Hasna Rona, I can do immediately.
Yes, yes. So basically उनको नहीं समझ में आता. They value every feeling. So they can cry also very easily and they can laugh also very easily. Now double seven. Double seven, if we have this combination, these people will travel when it is not needed. Unwanted travel with purpose. Kuch na kuch. They will find reason and they will keep traveling. They are a little loner. They may have little relationship problems. Extremely overthinker. If anything that comes into in their life, they start overthinking. And they always fall into this relationship misunderstanding issues. Yes, Sriram.
yeah, I got it.
You got
I
it?
got it. Yeah,
And they
double
will
seven.
travel when it is not needed.
Yes,
Like
all the traits you told is true for me.
yes. So
Yes, Vatsula ma'am. For me also double seven in one number.
for you also double seven, Ritu?
3 7, starting with 7 and 2 in the double seven.
So that is even more dangerous. So triple seven is you are triplicating the effect of Ketu. So 7 represents Ketu, Dev.
As the 7 7 you have told, the same thing is happening with me right now.
Yes. So these are certain numbers that we should not have in our mobile number. Like एक बार आएगा तो चलेगा, but it should not have double or triple of these numbers.
One
The
is
next
starting
is
and the next is in
99.
the middle.
Yes, sir, Sriram.
Sorry,
Ritu, your voice is not
she.
clear. Put it in the chat box. Yes.
Okay. No, it is bit lengthy. It might be not possible for me. Just a small question. So, the remediation. So, if we got this number in the mobile number, how about the remediation part? How to resolve that issue? Can we have to
Open
change
your
the number?
mobile number from me. You can take
I,
my help.
I'm, I'm using it for 15 years. Same mobile number. I've
Yes,
been putting.
I will come to that. I will give the solution on how we can resolve this and what we can do.
Sure.
Yes. So if we have double nine in our mobile number, these people will not open up very easily. They are a little reserved kind. It's not like they are introvert, but they are little reserved, they little conservative, a little possessive, gullible, extremely good in networking. They will network really, really well. And the other problem is I request you all to mute yourself. Okay, I'll just remove the just again. Okay. Sorry about that. Yes, once again. So 99 people are extremely good in networking, very active socially, and they may also feel that people take advantage of me. They feel that people are taking me for granted. Yes, Nitya.
Yeah, hi Vasudha.
Hi, Nitya. So good to see you.
Yeah, same here.
Yes.
Vasudha, here I'm a bit like the first one is you said the first sentence is these people are not social, and then also it is showing that they have good networking. How is that? Unless and until means socially active also has been written over here. So
Yes,
what?
that is the beauty of 99. It makes you little contradictory. You will be good in networking because in networking you don't have to open up. You got to introduce yourself, right? You just have to talk about your business and other things. When I'm saying not social is mostly for the family functions, mostly when they have to go out, do some chill time with their friends. In that way, they will be very selective.
Okay.
Wherever they don't have to open up a lot and talk a lot about their personal life, they are going to be really good. Now let's understand the triple numbers, some of the triple numbers. 000, if somebody has in the number, it is associated with the health problems. These people will have lot of health problems. 0 has its own behavior. When it appears more than 3 times in a mobile number, it starts acting as Rahu. And when it is up to 3 times, it starts acting as Mercury, that is Buddha. And these people will feel that they are losing on opportunities. The opportunities are coming, but they're not able to grab it. And it's also associated with health problems. They will have health concerns. Whenever someone has 888, then there will be financial concerns. And also, none of their work will go smoothly. Their work will not happen smoothly. There will be a lot of delay, extreme delay, communication gaps, and nothing will happen smoothly. 444 will cause relationship problem, court cases, delay, debts, any kind of litigation. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. 777 is associated with mental health concerns. They really have to work on their mental health and also relationship problems. They may feel that they are not getting a proper soulmate if unmarried. If they are married, then there will be relationship misunderstanding problems a lot. 999 will reflect an inability to manage personal energy effectively. They will not be able to manage their personal energy effectively. These are little about triple numbers. Somebody asked for 333. So 333 makes you a bit lazy, Ranjan. At times, you are 333 thoda sa lazy, procrastinate karwata hai. Any one of you have any of these triple numbers in your mobile number? Great. So no triple numbers. Nice. We should not have any number repeating more than 3 times. Yeah, Diptiji.
333 is my other number is I have. I'm not using regularly.
Okay, 333 will make you a little bit lazy. It will make you most into learning. तो आपका learning अच्छा होगा उसमें, but implementation will not happen that smooth. So 333 mostly become like a learning junkie. They want to learn a lot, but whenever they want to start something, they will not get a way out. So 333 generally makes that kind of problems. Is it interesting, guys? Are you finding this interesting that just a mobile number can tell so much about us? Let's see some more combinations today. If one has 67 in the mobile number, 6 and 7 together, They will have sleep disorder problems. They won't be able to sleep properly. Insomnia, chronic insomnia. They will fall into blame game of any relationship. Every time they will see that even if they are not committing any mistake, they getting the blame. They will be little loner and very away from public. बहुत ज्यादा पब्लिक में घुलना मिलना ये सब उनका नहीं होता है. If somebody has 59, 5 and 9 together adjacent, they will think that everybody is using me. They are using my skills. People are taking me for granted. And these people have one habit that they can never manipulate or lie. They are extremely transparent. So sometimes they have enemies because they are speaking dead honest. जो भी ट्रूथ है वो हमेशा बोलते हैं, तो इसलिए उनको ऐसा लगता है that I've got many enemies. People may not like, some people may not like saying so much truth. So that is one problem with 59. So this is what I wanted to share with you, a little combinations, triple, double. You have 59. So Ritu, do you feel that people are using you and you may have enemies because you are speaking honest? I've sent you the unmute request.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Because when they have work, they'll come and be with me nicely. When the work is over, they'll leave and go off. After that, they will not.
Right. So now, how many of you would like me to help you to choose the correct mobile number as per your date of birth? There is a way out. Like what we do is generally we book new numbers based on your date of birth and which is aligned with your goals. And then we book the numbers in Pan India. We also support for international numbers if needed. What in that the process is we take person's date of birth, we analyze, we find out which are the lucky numbers, which are the unlucky numbers, which is the lucky color and everything, and then we book the number which comes at your doorstep. You just have to do the KYC. You don't have to go out hunting for numbers. You're not getting this number, you're not getting this number. Everything is done by us. So how many of you would like my help to choose the correct number to align your health, wealth, frequency, and the relationship frequency? We have a very special offer today. Everyone who's filled the form. So everyone who would like a mobile number consultation where we will help you, me and Siddhi, we will help you to choose the correct combination, correct mobile number. Generally, the consultation is priced at 7,500 per mobile number, but everyone who's attending today are only going to pay 3,999. The links will be shared with you. You can book a consultation. We will send you out the Zoom link. We'll help you choose the number and book it for you, which will be aligned with your goals. Like, for example, you want to start a business, start having clients, improve your health. All of these frequencies and vibrations will be balanced in the mobile number. This is the price for all Indian phone numbers. Wherever in Pan India you want to book, it will be 3,999. For people staying abroad, the price will slightly vary depending on the number of efforts we have to take. So you can just DM the team in case if you're staying abroad and if you need a help choosing the correct mobile number. The second option is how many of you would like to learn and earn from the scale. So you learn the scale, you earn from it, and you can also fix your own mobile number. How many of you would like to do this? What you're going to learn, you would learn about mobile number triplets, doublets, all the number traits for 1 to 9. So basic numerology, you would learn lucky number, unlucky number, enemy numbers, number position. So the mobile number has 10 digits and every position says something about a personality. You would learn about the Vedic grid and also the Chaldean grid. These are different grids and different numerology technique which we will use. Batting number, we'll learn what are the batting numbers. Love marriage combination, finance combination, activating the Raj Yoga in your mobile number. So you can simply have certain digits in your mobile number and activate the Raj Yoga so that you do anything in your life, you're going to get success. Business success combination, we will learn about mobile Vastu. So what is mobile Vastu? We all have a lucky direction, which we found out using your date of birth. And if you charge your mobile in that direction, you're going to get more success. So you're aligning your manifestation frequency. So we will learn about mobile Vastu, which is the mobile cover, the color, which color is suitable, which mobile color is suitable. You will learn how to create a personalized wallpaper based on your date of birth and goals. Wallpaper as your date of birth. So lucky wallpapers for every date of birth. Helpful partner, intercaste marriage combination, communication enhancement, how to book mobile numbers, how to make this as a career, everything. So this is a course which has all in one, which gives you a learn and earn opportunity, and you're going to help so many people by having correct mobile numbers. So in the last couple of years, I myself have booked more than 300 SIM cards. More than 300 SIM cards with correct mobile numbers as per the date of birth. What are you going to get? You would get replay for 3 months. You will get free revision for 6 months, PDF notes, all the wallpapers, wallpaper for abroad settlement, energy circle for business success. You would get energy circle for protection from negative energy. And the total investment for all of this comes to around 10,000. But for everybody who's present here, you don't have to pay 10,000. We are going to start this class from 29th. It will be a 3-day class, mornings 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. If needed, we will extend the session for practice. And you're just going to pay 2,800 rupees until 21st May to learn the skill, and how you can earn, I will tell you in the class. Any questions if you have, please let me know. I will send out the links in the chat box. You are free to ask any questions in case if you want to know how can you make this better. Okay, Rituji, Jayaji. I've given unmute request to everyone. So please feel
I have filled the Google form for my number also right now.
Okay, you fill the Google form. Great. I will
And
surely.
admin, this I have sent you yesterday also one payment. This one also I'll do with 21st by.
Sure. We will do that. I'm sharing the links in the Zoom chat, and we will also share the links in the WhatsApp group. So I've sent out the links for consultation as well as the workshop. So whoever wants to learn it are welcome. I would always prefer that you learn it, and then you can help more and more people. And also you can earn from this. It's not a skill which is going to be waste. You can earn from this. You can build your high ticket product, and you can help so many people to choose the correct number. I have sent out the links in the Zoom chat. I will also send out the links in the WhatsApp group. Any questions, anything you want to know? Are we going to learn this? Are we not going to learn this? And don't worry, if you don't know numerology, everything that you need for mobile number analysis will be taught in the class. So basic numerology you're going to learn, which will help you to become a mobile number specialist. You can position yourself as a mobile numerologist. You can tell easily that I am a mobile numerologist person who can help you to choose correct mobile numbers. Anything you want to know about what we are going to learn? We will have a complete class on numerology also coming very soon. I
Even
think
I want to know, do you have that complete numerology class?
yes, we are actually planning to come up with it. I think Siddhi, if you are available, would you like to answer this? Okay. So she is here.
I am here. In fact, we've been waiting for a very long time ourselves, and we're very excited to introduce numerology class. Just wait for 15 days more. You will have a proper in detail numerology class because so this is one thing I would like a feedback from all of you. Okay, numerology has many facets and aspects. There's basic, there's advanced, there's everything. And I was of opinion, let's have one workshop that has everything. How does that sound? Or do you want us
It's
to
good.
break it down to basic
Yes,
and
that would be
advanced?
better.
That would be better. Yeah. So
Yes.
this is what we had on our mind. We wanted to know that people are committed. People want to be learning everything in one go because the whole workshop will means more time dedication from you. So if you're ready to roll like that, we are super excited.
Yes, yes, sure.
All right. Thank you so much for your feedback. In next 15 days, you'll hear from us something or the other on this.
Yes.
And hopefully the dates.
Yes. So
Oh, for me, the mobile numerology, you can talk to me. I will.
yes, Ritu, we will surely consider your name for mobile numerology. The team will get back to you and they will add you to the WhatsApp group.
Hi, Vasudha. Can I
Yes.
ask now? Can
Yes,
I
yes,
ask now?
you can
Okay.
go ahead.
Yeah, so I've just shared the form, Google form with my mobile numerology for the mobile numerology. So am I eligible? I'm actually not new to your
Oh,
group.
no.
So
So this is for first 15 people. Whoever
okay.
has filled the form, the first 15 names will get the PDF report from us tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Thank you. And I'll DM you for my requirement. I'll DM you.
Yes. You were supposed to call also. I was actually waiting
Oh,
for
is
your
it?
call.
Actually, you didn't mention, you didn't
Okay.
even respond. Okay.
No problem. So
Okay.
we will talk tomorrow in the morning.
Okay, sure. Thanks a lot, Chris. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll have to make a leave. I'm going to temple. Sorry.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank
Thanks
you
a lot
so
for the
much for
insight.
joining. Yes.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you everyone for joining this mobile numerology healing hour. We've sent out the links in the WhatsApp group, also on the Zoom chat. You can DM us for any questions, and whoever has missed, don't worry, we'll again come up with this healing hour next week.
Yes, so next week we will have a completely new topic. I would request this from all of you that every week we do a lot of hard work to get solutions, to get answers, to get remedies for all of you. Just do this, spread the word. Spread the word, get more people who you think will be benefiting from these, your family members, your friends, your colleagues, or your spiritual partners. I'm sure they will benefit from our healing calls and our full moon calls and so many other things that we are doing. So, this was the only request, and thank you so very much for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Vasudha.
I believe we've noted down everything, and we will get back to you with your reports.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks a lot,
Yeah.
madam.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot, Vasudha.
Thank you.
Bye.